Two local Rocketeers with their eyes on space are showing off their creation today at the Museum of Flight.
It is the museum's busiest day of the year, and these engineers are taking advantage of it to drum up support for space tourism. Kiro7 Eyewitness News reporter Allison Grandy joins us live at the Museum of Flight to explain. Allison?
Amy, the rocket is called Rubicon, and here it is. Take a look. It's built by two 26-year-old engineers from Forks, and they are convinced it will fly.
Oh, this is ultra cool. This is it. This is the next wave.
I want to see it when they set it off.
Philip Storm and Eric Meyer say their rocket is bound for space. The aerospace engineers are vying for the $10 million X Prize that will be awarded to the first team that builds a reusable spacecraft.
I want to see space, and I think a lot of other people do too.
Space tourism.
There is tourism right now. You can buy a ticket for $20 million to go to the space station. But that's not really tourism for the masses.
This is the future. This is the real space race.
Larry Brader brought his children to the museum today. He says he'd be game to get on board, but no trial flights for him.
Version 2. I'd go for the version 2. No question.
This team is working on their rocket in Forks. They've had a successful engine test. Now it's time for an unmanned test launch.
We'll launch it to 15 to 20,000 feet, and then it'll recover 2 miles off the coast in the water. So it'll do an ocean splashdown.
Tomorrow, they'll be watching as their competitor, Spaceship One, funded by Paul Allen, will attempt to blast into space with one pilot on board.
We're on the edge of our seats, just like everybody else, to see how it goes.
Now, the team hopes to launch this rocket, have a test launch in the middle of July. Now, they'll have to have a passenger on board before they can win the X Prize. So that's the next step for Rubicon. Live at Seattle's Boeing Field, Allison Grandy, Kiro7 Eyewitness News.